recording.
Hey everybody, me and Connor today are going somewhere. Where are we going today, Connor?
Thrift store.
Thrift store. All right, stay tuned.
Today, me and my mom are going to McDonald's to get some food. Not for me right now, at least. And we're gonna go to Walmart, and we thought we would take you with us. So, yeah, bye. Okay, so what are we doing?
Okay, we're gonna go to Walmart. We've got to get dog food.
Mm-hmm.
And we have to get some more Skittles to freeze dry because they're so good and everyone wants them.
Not me.
Not you?
No.
And I don't know, I've got a list on my phone, but we're gonna go to Walmart real quick, but then we've got to head back out to the house because we have someone coming to pick up the washer and dryer and some shelves that they bought from us.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
We will see you in a little bit. Bye.
All right, we're here at the thrift store. Tell them why we're here, Connor.
We're getting me a keyboard, hopefully. An old one,
Why is that?
because they look nice. And they're like a collector's piece now.
Well, let's go in and see if we can find you something.
Alright.
Years ago, I threw away tons of them when I worked at the school district. And didn't think I would ever need one again, but now I need one. All right, let's go in. Well, here's their keyboards. I'm not seeing any of the old retro. The old PS2. That's not an old keyboard. That's a ergonomic. Look at this. This it looks like an Atari joystick, but you hook it to the TV and it plays some of the old Atari games.
This thing looks weird.
That's just a Dell keyboard. Do a lot of those.
Does it look like they took pictures?
Well, no luck at the first place. Now we're gonna go to the second place and look. Hopefully there's one there.
Yeah,
Not the end of the world though.
maybe.
There's some wild berries. Let's get some wild.
Think strawberry be good?
Yeah. I mean,
there's-
blueberries, strawberries,
Bright side.
banana berries.
Ooh, look, wild berry and tropical. Smoothies.
Smoothie flavors. Smoothies.
Oh, look, just some high cheese for Makenzie. She
What about
loves
some
those.
Mike? Wait, did we do the? Did we do it?
No, because they don't work. I read somewhere else they didn't work. Oh, good. You have a big one.
Oh. Okay.
These ones make awesome candles.
I like them.
Oh.
Don't we still have some in a bag?
Yeah, we still do. I think the one down there is the one we get. Or you want to try that one?
Oh, wait, that's nice.
Yeah, then we might try it. They're small.
Some of them, I think some of them are like regular and some of them. I wonder if there's just a mix matched.
We got the peanut butter ones last time, and I just don't think Evie likes them.
Look, this one has a bunch of them, just like different ones. Sausage flavor, bacon flavor, turkey flavor, chicken flavor, beef flavor.
You just try that one?
Or should we just keep both of them so we don't have to cut them?
No. We'll try that one this time. I'm sure.
They'll probably like them.
I'm sure. I mean, we've got 4 dogs, so.
All right, round 2, here we go. Second antique thrift store. Maybe they'll have one here. Sure if we're gonna find it in here, Connor.
Hamilton Beach.
The old ice chest.
That would be seriously so cool to have. That is so cool.
All right, another bust, but there's one more thrift store in town that I know of, so we're gonna go check it out now.
So we're done with Walmart and now we're gonna head home quickly because we have ice cream and the person is about to be at our house to get the washer and dryer and the shelves. So yeah, see you there.
Round 3, here we go. Well, round 3 was a bust. So sad. I got some feelers out there with some guys that work at the school district just to see if they have one. Some of my friends that work at another school district in another town, they're looking for me, but maybe we'll find him one. But we're going to the house now and pick some stuff up out of the shed to take out to the house. We got a little bit of a load, not much. Trying to make it back to the house because we have some people coming to pick up our washer and dryer and bookshelves that we're getting rid of. Get this boy some
Burger King!
He's wanting a Whopper, so I guess we're gonna go get a Whopper. So how was your Whopper?
Amazing as ever.
You a happy boy?
I'm a happy boy.
All right, now what?
We go home, wait till the people get there for what are they picking up?
Washer and dryer and some cabinets.
And unload.
And unload.
And then chillax.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Off to the house. All right, we're back home. People came and got their washer and dryer and their bookshelves. Didn't find a keyboard today, but we got some food and some snacks to freeze dry. Now we gotta undo this load. Done for the day, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and wish us luck.
Peace out.
Bye.